everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook an Egyptian dish that everybody likes. It's the grilled kofta. Let's start. My ingredients are 1 pound of ground beef. This is 85% lean, 15% fat. 1 pound of ground lamb. I have 1 medium onion and I put it in a sieve because I want to squeeze it and only use the meat of the onion, and I will show you how I will use the water of the onion later. My spices are 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Then I will add also 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon baking powder. I will start with the meat. I will put it in the food processor. I'm going to blend everything in the food processor. For the onions, I'm going to squeeze it with a spoon because I need the liquid for later. If we add the liquid of the onion, it's going to make it dry. So I am planning to use the liquid of the onion while I'm putting it on the skewer. Then I'm going to add the spices, the cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'll push everything down and start blending. I mixed it for 2 minutes. The whole idea is to make it very soft like a dough with this texture so that you're sure it won't fall off the skewers. Now I will transfer it into a bowl. And now I will show you how to put it on skewers. Now I'm going to put my hand in the onion water, and then I'm grabbing some meat, and I will put it like this and try to form a nice shape, nice pattern. First, I will spread it all as you see. Then I'm going to press on it in the middle like this. And then I will put another one, do the same thing. I will put 2 on each skewer. I will transfer it into a Pyrex. Then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for like half an hour at least. Then I will grill it outside. Now the oven outside is preheating on 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very important to cook it on high so that it doesn't stick and fall. I'm going to brush it with the rest of the onion water, and I added on it 1 tablespoon of oil to give it a shiny look. I just put them on the grill directly as you see, and I will wait 5 minutes and I will see if they turn like brown color, and then I will flip them on the other side. I will flip it right now. As you see, I flipped one already and it looks amazing with the brown color. And I will cover and wait again. Now I will give it a 1/4 turn. And close. Now I will do the other 1/4. The color is amazing as you see. It's almost done. Now they all have a wonderful color. I already turned off the grill, and I will transfer them to the kitchen and I will show you how to present. Now I'm garnishing it with some parsley on top as you see. It's perfect with tzatziki sauce or tahini sauce. And that's how you present it. Here is my kofta. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you can give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. See you next time.